fill up, fill in, or fill out. There are many people who are confused with the difference of fill up, fill in, and fill out with one another. Fill out, fill in, and fill up are phrasal verbs. This refers to a verb added with a particle. A particle may refer to a preposition or an adverb. All these three phrasal verbs use fill, which refers to put something in an empty space. In order to understand the difference of these with one another, look at the time when each of these is used. Fill in. Fill in is used to complete a form or questionnaire with requested information. Usually, this requires only your name or a piece of information about yourself on a form. Example, please fill in your name. This may also refer to making something full. Example, the contractor filled in a hole in the road. This may also be used to temporarily replace someone who is unable to do their job at that time. Example, the company decided to fill in the position of the secretary who filed an indefinite leave. Another example, Marco is sick. Can you please fill in for him? Fill out. Fill out is used to also complete a form or a questionnaire with required information. Usually, this refers to a form where spaces have been provided for you to write in. Examples, if you want to join the contest, please fill out this form. Carlo can fill out the form for you. The teacher requested the students to fill out the form. Fill up. Fill up refers to making something to become full. This may be used to refer to making a tank filled with liquid, which may refer to an oil. Examples, I filled the car up with fuel. There is plenty of food. Fill yourself up.
Thank you for watching our videos.
Thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you.